I like being able to get up and go try new things. So I'm not afraid to find something that's interesting or find something that I've never done before and either learn about it or just go try and figure out what's fun about it, what the culture's like, what the people are like, and kind of chase down the new things that there are to be had in life. So far, the coolest thing I think I've ever done is right after I graduated, I finished an internship here and went to Norway. So I hopped on a plane, a couple weeks after my internship ended, and went and spent about 9 days, I think it was, in Norway, and traveled around, did a couple tours and some hiking, and that was probably the coolest thing I've done so far. My family, kind of as a whole, growing up, it was kind of the mentality that we grew up around was, if you're going to do something, do it right the first time. And then that translated definitely into school and work, and I had a professor that I ended up working for who I brought that mentality into working for her in that TA position, and that actually really kind of led into where I'm at now and helped me get connected with the folks here at Micron. That led to my internship and now my full-time position. Going into a new challenge with open eyes and being able to take those calculated risks and those criticisms and understand that you're going to need to learn a lot to be successful, I think is a big step in the right direction. Superman, Batman's cool, he's got a lot of gadgets, but Superman, he's kind of the good guy through and through. There's not much of the internal conflict with Superman. So my name is Austin. I'm a supply chain planner at Micron Technology in Boise, Idaho.